Nag-positive po ako. Now, day 1, this is what I'm gonna take. Vitamin 1000. Ha? Day 2, guys. This is my steamer. And then I'm gonna take my vitamin. Okay, I'm still waiting for the DHA to pick me up here. Yeah, vitamins time. Day 2. Ako naghilamos. Cute, no? Day 2, mag-gym, mag-exercise ako na. Yan. Online. Day 2. Hi, good morning. I'm a bunny. Today is my 3rd day. I'm positive. I'm taking disease, fruits, and I had my vitamin C. I'm gonna have my vitamin C. Ito siya. Then later I will have my exercise, and I'm drinking this. Guys, good morning. Day 2. Mag-exercise na. I just had my vitamin C. I'm doing exercise, and later I will do my steam. How's my voice? Hapon na naman. Wala pa rin tumatawag from DHA. So, I'm gonna stay here at home. Lalalala. Natutulog na na. Natulog.
In rope? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Maganda doon. Sabi niya. Dito tayo pinapapunta ni Eric. Okay, may friend.
I just reached the DHA.
Oh, this one finish na.
Ano tawag dito? DHA ano to?
Ha?
DHA ano to? Ano tawag dito sa place na to?
Rahaba.
Rahaba.
Al-Rahaba Residence.
Rahaba Residence. Isa. Dito na kami sa morning guys, 4th day ko today. Dito na ako sa DHA accommodation. We arrived here last night. Ngayon pa na ako nagkakaroon ng symptoms na sinisipon na ako, inuubo ako. Then, yung super dry na yung lalamunan ko. Kaya, every time lang ako uminom ng tubig na may lemon. And honey. I just had my breakfast. Ayan. Dito ako nakastay. Evening. Day 4. May fever na ako kanina. Ngayon, kakacheck lang sa akin, 38.8. Kumain na kami para wala akong gana. Gusto ko ng pagpawisan. Body pain, fever. Hindi pa ako naliligo. Panay lang ang tulog ko. Gusto ko matulog ng matulog. Gusto ko ng pagpawisan. Good morning. Day 5. Wala na akong fever. No body pain. Um, lalamunan ko lang palang dry. Yun lang. Otherwise, I'm fine. Good morning! Sunshine, 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 sunshine. Hahaha. Ayan. This is my bed, my bed, my bed. My bed. Sunshine, should I put my bed down? Good morning! Gising na. Kaka-breakfast ko lang ng sardinas. Tsaka egg. Ito yung sunshine. Anyway, sunshine. Yan. Feeling better na po. Hi, good morning. 5th day today. No fever, no body pain. But my voice is still the same. How's my voice? Oh, like a man. This is my room. Hey guys, today is day 6. So, I don't know what's wrong with my voice. Talaga na. Tipid ako magaling. So, yeah. Drinking my vitamins. Vitamin C. Good morning. 3:62. Hi. Maglalaba ako. Laba-laba-labahan time. Ayan na yung mga damit ko. Video pala to. Good morning. Good morning.
Your voice is okay. You've got no star quality about you. There's no charisma.
No charisma.
Yeah, I agree with Sharon. A bit pub serious, I thought. Yeah. I felt your confidence was slightly...
Hi, good morning. Yan ang aking Dan. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Sunshine. Guys, lunch time na. So, kakain na. Ayan. This is our food. Tingnan natin. Abella shampoo. Hi. Yung boses ko yun pa. Nice ko yung bed. Yun siya. Malansya ako. Ayan ko. Malansya ako. Just woke up. Ayan, magkam ng TV. I had breakfast already. Sunshine. Sunshine. Yeah, sunshine. Good morning, bye. And this is the cabinet. This is the washroom and shower. This is my room. I'm alone here. Yung dalawa na sa labas. Ito nag-exercise ako dyan. Kagigising ko lang. Then, shower. 3, 8. Waiting for lunch. Again. Let's check outside. Sarado ang bintana. As in lang. See, desert. It's all desert. I'm in the middle of the desert. Good morning, guys. Today is my last day here in the HA facility. Okay, goodbye Cortina. Goodbye Kama. Hi Giselle. Goodbye washroom. Goodbye cabinet. Let's come. Goodbye sofa. Goodbye kitchen. And our So, love washing machine kasi isang araw lang may tuyo na agad yung laban. Hi! Good morning! Last day today, so we're waiting for our DHA taxi. Para ihatid kami sa amin. We're okay na pala, but look at my white hairs. My God. My good. 10 days of no smoking, no cigarette, ha? Kaya ko, ha? Nakaya ko yun. But today, we're going out na. What I will do is I will buy cigarette out once I go outside. Hi! Okay, enough. Thank you so much! Oh my God. We're out now. We're out now from our camping party. Oh my God, I'm feeling we're going home. We're already in the back.